Hello, everyone. Welcome to Patroclus Digital Garden, where we talk about the intersection of classics, mathematics, and other pieces of history. In this video, I'd like to talk about Euclid's Elements Book 1, Proposition 1, where he derives the proof for the construction of an equilateral triangle. In this video, I will go over the translation of the Greek text, as well as providing a brief geometrical construction and illustration using software programming tools. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed the material. So here we will be talking about Euclid's Elements, Book 1, Proposition 1. So I will start by reading the Greek text, and then I will translate and give commentary as we go along. Epites dosestes eutheas peparas menes trigonon isopluron suses dasthai. So upon the given straight finite, a triangle of equal sides to construct. So that's literally the Greek word for word as it goes along, but obviously that doesn't make a good English translation. So the idea behind this is really it's an infinitive phrase to construct an equilateral triangle upon the given finite straight line. And eutheos here is really short for gramme. You'll notice that throughout the propositions, Euclid tends to avoid using specific names. He'll just throw in the adjective rather than the actual noun that is typically given for it. Now, for the second part, we have esto he dothesa euthea peperas mene he alpha beta. So let there be the given straight finite line segment alpha beta. So here we have the third singular imperative from Amy, along with the aorist passive participle, along with the adjective, and again the perfect passive participle from perino. So the idea here is let the given straight line that is finite be alpha beta. Thus, it is required to construct, and here we have the similar aorist infinitive, aorist middle infinitive from before, from soon histemi. It is required to construct an equilateral triangle upon the given straight line, alpha beta. And just to go over the structure of these, this is the protasis. And now we're moving into our kataskewe. Kentro mento alpha diastemati deto alpha beta kuklas gegraphtho ha beta gamma delta. Kai pollen kentro mento beta diastemati deto beta alpha kuklas gegraphtho ha alpha gamma epsilon. Kai apotu gamma semeu katu temnusen alelus hoikukloi. Epita alpha beta semei epizeuxosan euthei hi gamma alpha gamma beta. In this section, we set up the construction that is to be shown for actually doing our proof. Hence the words kataskewe, the preparation. Let there be, and here we have a gegraphtho, let there have been drawn. So this is a perfect passive imperative from grapho. Let there have been drawn the circle beta gamma delta on the one hand, so men here, with center alpha with a distance alpha beta. So literally diastema is distance, but in the context of circles, this really represents the radius alpha beta. And then moving from there, and from the point gamma, along which the circles cut one another, let there be joined upon the points alpha beta, the straight lines gamma alpha, gamma beta. Now for the third section, we have our actual proof, or our apodeixis, where we demonstrate the construction that we just set up. Kai epe ta alpha semeion kentron esti tu gamma delta beta kuklu. Ise estin he alpha gamma te alpha beta. Palen epe ta beta semeion kentron esti tu gamma alpha epsilon kuklu. Ise estin he beta gamma te beta alpha. So the first part of our proof goes, and since the point alpha is the center of the circle gamma delta beta, the line alpha gamma is equal to alpha beta. So the line segment alpha gamma is ise te alpha beta. Palin epe ta beta semeion. And similarly, since the point beta is the center of the circle gamma alpha epsilon, beta gamma is equal to beta alpha. edekthe. It has been shown gamma alpha is equal to alpha beta. So we have the aorist passive indicative here from decamai, which is actually part of the same root from apodeixis. Hecatera araton gamma alpha gamma beta te alpha beta estin ise. Therefore, or thus, each of the two line segments gamma alpha gamma beta are equal to alpha beta. Thus we have our recitation of the first common notion. The things which are equal to themselves are equal to one another. Kai he gamma alpha ara te gamma beta esti ise. Hai tres ara hai gamma alpha alpha beta beta gamma isai alelais esin. And therefore the line segment gamma alpha is equal to gamma beta. And therefore the three gamma alpha, alpha beta, beta gamma are equal to one another. And thus is the conclusion of our apodeixis part of our proof. And thus we simply conclude with the Sun parasma. Therefore, the triangle alpha beta gamma is isopleuron. It's equilateral, and it has been constructed upon the given straight finite line alpha beta. Therefore, ara, upon the given straight finite line, it has been constructed an equilateral triangle. Haper ede poiesai, which very thing it was necessary to do. And this marks the conclusion of our proof with our QED. So thank you for watching this recording. I hope that you learned a lot about Euclid's elements, as well as a bit about translating Greek, as well as a bit about the mathematics involved. So thank you, and I hope you have a nice day.